he asked if we were still
Okay.
available, and we said yes.
Okay, Ms. Bailey, you'll need to enable your video and your audio.
Got it. Good morning.
Good morning. Let me see here. It appears it's a self-proven will. So, Ms. Bailey, you live in Houston?
I live in Houston, yes, sir. And I work in Dallas.
Okay, so, okay. Okay, Manville, so you're in Brazoria County.
Yes, sir.
And so your mom just had two daughters, yourself and your sister, Miss Levine,
Therese Levine, yes, sir.
and she lives in Port Arthur.
Yeah.
Appears that your lawyer hasn't shown up today.
I know the weather is really bad in Houston, so I'm not sure. I know at my home, the lights are out. They just went out this morning.
She go back to Dallas.
All right. So, Miss Bailey, if I could get you to raise your right hand, please.
Okay.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give in this call should be the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ms. Bailey, I'm going to hold up what purports to be the last will and testament of Audrey Levine. Do you recognize that as being her will?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to go back on the signature page and ask you, do you recognize that as being her signature on that
Yes.
document?
Yes, sir. That's my mother's signature.
Okay, and after the date she made this will, which appears to have been on June 26th of 2015, did she ever change it or revoke it?
No, sir. Well, she changed it on that date because my brother passed away. And so she updated it on that date.
Okay, but after that date, it hadn't been changed. Okay, is that correct?
That is correct.
All right. So have you been provided with a document called a proof of death and other facts? By your lawyer?
Yes.
Okay, do you have it there with you?
Let me look at the form she sent me.
Where is it? I don't have it in the file.
Should be in there somewhere.
You have a proof of death and other facts? Okay. Okay, well, let me ask you this. Did your mother die on March 24th of 2021?
That is correct.
Okay, and was she a resident and domiciled in Jefferson County at the date of her death?
Yes, sir.
And did she leave a written will, which you've already identified?
Yes.
And at the time she signed the will, she was over the age of 18 years and of sound mind?
Yes, sir.
And there is no state or governmental agency of the state or any charitable organization named in the will as a beneficiary, is that correct?
That is correct.
And after the date of the will in 2015, she did not have any children born to her or adopt any other children, is that correct?
That is correct.
And no marriage of hers was ever dissolved after the date that the will was made, is that correct?
That is correct.
All right, so what I have here is a proof of death and other facts and an oath, independent executive. So you're gonna need to make arrangements with your attorney to sign those documents before a notary public.
Yes,
Have
sir.
them filed with my court. Once they're filed, I will, sign the order admitting your mother's will to probate and authorizing the county clerk to issue letters testamentary. Those letters testamentary will authorize you to transfer title to real estate, to deal with banks, stock transfer agents, life insurance companies, whatever you need to do.
Yes, sir.
Um, those letters are good for 90 days. If they go bad, you can always get more from the county clerk's office.
Okay.
Uh, the I'm also gonna have my clerk mail you this guide. This guide explains what your duties and responsibilities are as representative of the estate.
Yes, sir.
One of the most important of which is to make sure that an inventory is filed within 90 days of the date I sign the order.
Okay.
If not, then I have to remove you.
Okay.
So make sure you get that done. But
Yes, sir.
we'll mail this to you. And other than that, do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, just get with your lawyer and get that proof and that oath signed and get them filed, okay?
Okay. And she files it with the county, right? With Jefferson
We'll file
County?
it with the county clerk's office.
Okay.
Once it's filed, they'll notify me and I'll sign the order.
Yes, sir.
All righty, you take care.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So you say that her attorney's